All right, guys, we are back at the closing table of the sale of your home. Um, I know we've been here many times before. I want to start off by saying thank you from the bottom of my heart because you're practically family to me, and I know all the ups and downs you guys have been through, and I've been a part of every journey of you guys while not being here, while being here, now leaving here. So I'm really thankful for you guys always including me and involving me in your journey. So thank you for that. And today, now that we're closing this chapter of your life here in Miami, I know there's going to be bigger and better things coming up. I wanted to just get your thoughts on how do you feel I was able to manage and navigate the sale of this home, even though we know we had obstacles of a timeline that we had to meet and a specific budget that we had to meet as well. How do you guys feel I was able to manage that for you?
So, what can I say? You are honestly, I mean, obviously we have a lot of obstacles and things to consider of everything, but you're so professional. Your professionalism has always been top notch. We can't complain about that. You move mountains for us, literally. Like, we close our eyes and you made the calls, speaking with the other agent, going back and forth, doing the showings, trying to get people to come and see the house. So you honestly can't complain at all. You've always been amazing in that sense. To be honest, I don't have any complaints. Other than that, I would have loved to get more money out of the house, but life happens, you know. But honestly, if there's a realtor that we have trusted with open arms, with everything, with our child, with everything, it has always been you. And if it wasn't because we're moving out of state, you will probably be our realtor once again. But unfortunately, you should get your license in Tennessee.
So I'll follow up. So to continue with that, just background, we've used Bryan here. We've used Bryan while we were in California. And now we moved back and we're using him again. So Bryan is my LeBron because not one, not two, not three, but 4 times we've used Bryan, okay? So while we were in California, he dealt with squatters at my property. He's the one that dealt with it during COVID. Here, dealing with us, just our emotions, our timelines, he's dealt with it. He dealt with dealing with all of our
Talking about timeline, we told him we have to sell by June. It's March. So he
expedited.
Exactly.
So yes, totally 100%. Eyes blind. Recommend Bryan 100%. So
thank you guys. Thank you. I'm really thankful for the opportunity once again. I hope you guys come back and give it another shot eventually.
Yes.
You know, I'm only a phone call away, and if anything, we know we have a place to visit.
We'll come back for you if we need a bite, but not to come back to live here.
I got you. Thank you guys. Appreciate it.
Thank you.